To solve this problem, we used different chemical in the coolant, and we used add antifreeze, anti-heat, and anti-corrosion chemicals, which saves the engine at higher temperature and the engine maintains its antis. Do not open the radiator cap manually during pressure build in system while the engine running. We use water pump to carry coolant into the engine. Water pump are parts of coolant to the passages of plug and